Welcome to Products Review, your trusted source for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest products. Today we are going to talk about the product 3-channel dash cam front and rear inside 10A tip dash camera for cars, dashcam 3-way triple car camera with R night vision, loop recording, gain sensor, parking monitor, 24 hours recording. This car camera is an excellent choice for drivers looking for an all-round protection with its triple channel system. 165-day front camera, 160-day cabin inside the camera, and 160-day rear camera. The camera delivers smooth 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, 720p rear video, and displays it on the IP screen. The camera also has a night vision feature with 4 IR lights to capture the driver and passengers in the dark. The dashcam also has a gravity shock sensor to auto-lock collision footage and loop recording for when this SD card is full. The camera is also easy to install with its simplified rear camera installation and hidden design. Lastly, the product comes with a 1-year warranty and a full refund within 30 days. Overall, this is an excellent product for drivers looking for an all-round protection with its triple channel system, night vision, and auto-lock feature. Did you like the product? The purchase link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you later.